Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this little screw here out the bottom of the fob, and then we can split the case open to access the key fob battery. So we just need to remove the screw with a Torx headed screwdriver, like so. Now we remove the cover. It's very easy to remove, and we also just push downwards on it because there's a couple of little feet here and here just to hold it in place down at the bottom. And there is your key fob battery. Now we just get our flat-headed screwdriver and just prise it out of its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply just get our new key fob battery, we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that it's facing downwards like this one, so we know it's in its correct location. And we just simply pop the two halves of the case back together. Remember that there's this little feet here at the bottom, so they need to go down in first, like so. Make sure it all lines up. Now we just need to put the screw back in place. There you go. It's all done.